Aerate coding fault. When aerate code fault code appears on the display, cut off the power first. Remove the 4 fastening screws on the touch screen frame. Remove the touch screen frame. Remove the touch screen. Check whether the terminal connector of coding wire above the driver is inserted stably. If it falls off, insert it again. If it is in the stable insertion state, it can be determined that the motor is faulty or the coding line is broken. At this time we need to remove the motor for repair.